Okie dokie, now we have the fun stuff starting. So, this is our old head. Oh, hey, look! That's because these edges, they're not rounded off by the manufacturer because people don't really ever touch them, so they don't bother. So that's fine, but Alex wasn't paying attention. Anyway, so this is our old one with our original camshafts that we are going to reuse. Over here, we have the new head in two pieces. And this is the styrofoam from inside the packaging box because I need not only a flat surface but a soft one that's not going to score the bottom edge, because that's where the head gasket sits, and if I've got any scratches or gashes or any kind of issues like that, we won't have a proper seal no matter how good the gasket is. So probably for packaging purposes, I assume. Oh, the fluoro light is freaking out the camera, I apologize. But this actually came mounted, so I've just undone all of the mounting bolts so I can pull the top off. And then what I'll do, when I remove it, the cams are going to sit in these channels here. So, but first, in order to prevent any premature damage, I'm going to soak them in oil all the way through to make sure that the metal doesn't rub against metal when we give it a first run. And then I have over here all of the gaskets. Head gasket's hiding in here somewhere. That one there, somewhere underneath. 12,000 new bolts. Something I can't really make out through all the bubble wrap, that's fine. And yeah, let's see if we can one-handed. I probably shouldn't have done that, but anyway. That's alright, no damage. So yeah, oil and then camshafts. And from the previous video here is our timing cover. Nice and clean and shiny. So before I put that on, I will load this all up with silicone, make sure we have a proper seal, no more problems. And yeah, now we have the fun task of putting it all back together.